Good morning, students. This is Kumar Parashar, TET Science from KB Mukama Heart. Today we will learn the topic human heart. Heart is also called the pumping machine of the body because it receives and transport blood from various organs. Heart is located between the thoracic cavity. It is conical shaped structure as large as our fist. Heart is well protected between the lungs and rib cage. Heart is composed of a special type of muscle called cardiac muscle. Heart contains some room-like structure. Heart has some room compartment-like structure called chambers of heart. These are four chambers. Namely, upper part is called atrium and lowermost part is called ventricle. And it is separated by a wall which is called septum, and we can name as upper part as atrium and lower part as ventricle. Then the right upper part is called right atrium, left upper part is called left atrium. Same as the right lower part is called right ventricle and left lower part is called left ventricle. The atrium and ventricles are separated by cuspid valves. Right part is separated by bicuspid valve and left part is separated by tricuspid valves. These valves control the flow of blood. The job of heart is pump around blood our body. All the atria and ventricles of the heart contract and relax rhythmically, and also heart role is behave like a pump. Since ventricles have to pump blood into various organs with high pressure, so they have thicker walls than atrium. Heart receive two type of blood in different chambers. One is oxygenated blood. Oxygenated blood, we can say that oxygen rich blood or pure blood. And another type of blood which is called impure blood or deoxygenated blood, which is full of CO2. The heart receive deoxygenated blood from different parts of the body and pump this blood into the lungs. The oxygenated blood from the lungs return to the heart, which is pumped organs of the body by the heart. Thus, the blood passes twice through the complete round through the body. This is called double circulation. Double circulation means heart receive and transport blood in separate chambers two times. In the figure we can see that from lungs, pulmonary vein carries oxygenated blood and it goes to the left atrium. During receiving blood from the left atrium of the heart, it expands and after that it contract. Contraction create a pressure, then blood goes to the left ventricle. From left ventricle, blood is carried out by aorta and again it carries oxygenated blood to the body organs. Our body organs use and utilize the oxygen part of the blood, and after that it uh, give deoxygenated blood which is carried out by vena cava and it goes to the right atrium. During receiving blood from the right atrium, it expand, and after that it contract. Contraction create a pressure, then blood flows through the valves to the right ventricle. The function of valve is avoid backflow of blood. Because blood flows from atrium to ventricle, it does not go back to the atrium. So the function of valve is to avoid retransport of the blood. After from ventricle, the pulmonary artery transport deoxygenated blood to the lungs. So in the figure we can see that two types of blood in two times carried by the heart. This is the function of heart. Thank you.